Hi, I'm Steve from Draeger, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the sensor in a Polytron 5100 detector. Please note that the Polytron 5100 is classified as explosion-proof, and if the sensor is located in an explosion-proof area, there is no need to decommission the area. Please consult the manual before proceeding. So now I'm going to show you how to replace a sensor in a Polytron 5100. It's actually very simple. The sensor can be replaced in hazardous areas because the unit is classified for Class 1 Div 1 operation. What we do is we undo the retaining ring and screw the retaining ring and simply pull the sensor out. We're going to see that the screen will change to Please Connect Sensor. There we go, Please Connect Sensor. So now, if we put the same exact sensor back in, meaning the same part number, all the settings that you have entered previously will be kept. So put in the new sensor. It is keyed, so don't force it if it doesn't go in easily. Put the retaining ring back. And now this is telling us this has a 1 minute warm up. Once the 1 minute expires, you'll be back to measurement mode. Another security feature that the Polytron 5100 has is that if you try to replace a sensor with a different sensor, so for example, this is a carbon monoxide sensor that's in there now, and let's say we're going to try to replace it with an oxygen sensor. This is what's going to happen. So if we take the sensor out, and then it's going to tell us to connect another sensor or insert another sensor. And now we're going to put in a completely different sensor. It's a different part number. This is an oxygen sensor. So now it's telling us that the sensor lock feature is on, and it wants to make sure that we're okay with putting in a different sensor. So in order to bypass the sensor lock, you have to touch and hold the OK button for about 5 seconds until the countdown is over. And now it has installed the oxygen sensor. All of our settings have changed to the default settings for an oxygen sensor. So we're going to put the O2 or the CO sensor back. Again, it's telling us that the sensor lock feature is on. We're going to touch OK for about 5 seconds until the countdown is over. Now it should accept the carbon monoxide sensor, and now we have a 1 minute warm up and we're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact our technical support center, and please also watch our other videos in the Polytron series.